here you need to see copy to fiscal year. Give your company code here, ZAPL.
Mm-hmm.
Give the number range like whatever 1 to 99, all the number
Okay.
ranges. Then
Okay.
source fiscal year, give
20.
2024. Target fiscal year, you give 2024.
Okay. Okay.
Execute
2020.
it. Then automatically all the number ranges will come in 25 also.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah, this should be the problem for you.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
good.
Thank you so much, sir.
Right, welcome, welcome. Any problem, let me know. I will take your details and I will get this resolved. Okay,
Yeah. Sure. Thank you.
welcome.
So,
Okay, what about yes?
Sir,
sir,
I have
while posting partial component election, I mean, posting vendor invoice,
Hmm.
I got an error like account group is not defined in table T0070.
Account group is not defined in table.
Double
Is it?
zero seventy T0070 or T077K.
So probably someone deleted your group, no vendor group. Okay. So
Okay.
probably somebody deleted your vendor group. Okay. So you are getting that error in which T code? F-53.
No, sir. While posting the vendor invoice in
Vendor
the
in.
partial down payment.
Okay. So I hope you cannot do any other things also now because vendor group is missing. So you go like
Yes, sir.
this. Go to FK02. You go right. And
Okay.
in this, my company code is ZAPL. Na?
Yes, sir.
ZAPL. My vendor number 79. Na?
Yes, sir.
Okay. 79. Then here what you do, you go to extras, administrative data, and here note down your group name.
Okay, sir.
Okay, what is my ZHKS? Na? Right, note down your group name for the vendor ZHKS. Then you go to our OBD3. You go there. Here you search. Search what? ZHKS. Search. Is it there or not? Search. If it is not there, what you need to do? Create it.
Then I
Right.
need to create a.
You click on new
Oh,
entries and
okay.
create with the same name.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So
Okay, sir.
probably someone is selecting like this, select all, delete. Na? You
Yes, sir.
understood? So he might have deleted your group. These things will not happen in real time. Yeah? Here, people have half of
Okay.
knowledge, you know, that, and then all these things they do. Okay. Good.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Good.
hello.
Thank you. Thank
Yes,
you, sir.
ma. Yes. Tell.
Sir, I have posting vendor invoice
Hmm.
FB16,
Hmm.
but I'm not give their
Hmm.
payment terms.
You are not able to give.
No, I am posting vendor invoice, but by mistakenly, I'm not giving payment term, and I
Hmm.
have saved this. So
Okay.
I rechange this.
How to change this?
Huh.
Okay. See here, I will show you. So now let me see any open items I have. FBL1N. Let me see any open items I have. No items. Okay, let me do the same mistake what you have done. FB60, right? And I am giving my vendor number, invoice date I am giving today, second, and I am giving the amount, some amount, say 60,000.
Okay.
Expense account I am giving 4,81,000. Put star here. Correct.
Okay.
Actually, I should give na here. I should give the
Yes.
payment term here. I am not giving posts.
Huh.
I should have given cash discount there. I should have given 0050 payment term there. But I forgot to give the payment term I have given. Okay.
Yes. Yes.
Now I want to change the payment term. Okay. How
Yes.
to change? What is the document number? 19,003 30.
1933. 30.
How to display this document? How to see this document?
B0.
FB03. FB03.
FB
FB03.
FB03. Go. Open this document.
Okay.
And then here display option is there now, make it to change. Okay, click on this change button.
Okay.
It will allow you to change. Okay, now I'm in change now.
Yes.
Change. Okay, then double click on this. Then it will see payment term option will come. Here
Yes.
I will change. What I will put 0050.
50.
See, yellow warning. Press enter. Post.
Okay. Okay.
Now you see if I go to FBL1N, my payment term will be 0050. Calendar sheet. Clear?
Yes.
Good.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome. Yeah, any other questions before I proceed?
Sir, I opened the period for the fiscal year April to March only, whereas now it's showing it's a Jan to March only. Sir, Jan to December.
You open the period. Okay, so you are in OBY6. Go to
Okay.
OBY6. Let's see
OB
what we
Y6.
Y6. In OBY6, what is your company code? Go like this. Open. And in that check, what is your fiscal year variant?
A3.
8th. Okay, note it down. Go
Okay.
to OB29.
OB 21. Okay.
29, step number
20.
5, fiscal year.
Okay.
29, na? Go.
Yes.
Okay, then going there, see what is there in A3.
April to March.
April to March. You see, you should see. Now somebody might have changed it, na?
Okay.
Somebody might have deleted and made it Jan to December, right?
Okay.
Okay, go to periods now.
Okay.
And then check na, whether it is proper April to March or someone made it Jan to December.
Okay.
You understood?
Yes.
So just check it. So if
Okay.
someone changed it Jan to December, then obviously A3 is Jan to December. No. You got the point?
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Just check and put it back. It will be normal. Okay?
Okay.
Right. See what happens is after your juniors, they might have started. Now they are
Oh,
doing steps. They don't know. They just, they are playing around. No, they have got full access. No?
okay.
Full access. So they might be, meddling with the existing things. No? Possible. Yeah.
Might be.
Okay. So just try to correct it. Okay. Good. Any other issues, guys? Yeah.
So let me take the screenshot of down payment notes. I couldn't able to attend.
Payment terms, huh?
No, down payments.
Down payments. Okay, not this one. Here onwards, right? Yeah. Advances to vendors. Yeah. No doubt.
Sir, even I am having a problem with the server.
Uh-huh.
Every time I make a posting or do any step, the screen just hangs and I get an error showing WES, and then the system closes down.
Put it on Telegram. Contact Venkat, ma.
Okay.
So it seems like
Which
a
is
case.
why I've been
Are
not
you
being able
using
to complete most of my work.
Are you using Mac system?
No.
No, right?
Yeah.
Just check. Is it an internet issue with you?
No internet issue. It has been
Internet.
happening for around 1 week now.
Okay. Just put it on Telegram and talk to Venkat. Let him see
Okay.
the issue. Let's resolve it. Okay. What is your name?
Okay. Sarah.
Sarah. Okay.
Yeah.
So
Fine. No.
next page, sir.
Next page. Yeah. Okay. Two scenarios we have. Right. So everybody is on the same page now. We have completed the vendor, partial residual, payment terms completed, cash discounts, bank charges, installments, advances. All this we are doing, guys, now practice. Yeah. Good. So
Yes,
what
sir.
is the
Notes
amount
taken.
taken? Yes. What is the entry for the cash discount, guys? Vendor payment with cash discount. What is the accounting entry?
Vendor account data
That cash
to
discount.
bank account to cash discount.
So cash discount account is credited or debited?
Credited.
Why it is credited?
Because it's like
We
we are paying
discount.
less amount than the actual.
It's a kind of income, no?
Income
for us. So cost reducing revenues we call it. What is the name given to it? Cost reducing revenue. It is not actual revenue. If you reduce the cost also, it's a revenue, no? Yeah. So cost reducing revenue. It is. Good. Okay. So what is the entry for bank charges?
Vendor
Debit.
account data,
Vendor
bank account data.
charges debit to bank account.
To bank account.
Bank charges we debit or credit?
Debit.
No,
Debit.
debit.
Debit. Why debit?
Yes, it's
It's an
expense.
Expense.
Expenses are always debited, no?
Debited.
Okay. Okay. So what is the entry with discount and bank charges? Together?
Vendor account debit. Bank charges debit. Discount
cash charges
Bank.
on debit. Discount to bank.
Bank
account
account
credit.
credit. Now how many lines will come?
4 lines.
4 lines. So now how I am getting this cash discount entry automatically?
From OBXU,
OBXU,
SQ transaction.
OBXU, SKE.
U, SQ.
There is no SKU, no, it is SKE.
E.
Bank charges, what is that we have done?
From OBXK.
OBXK
Which
and BSP.
BSP transaction. That is our consulting.
Yep.
Correct, Anna? This FP60 F-53 is end user. The core thing what you are doing as a consulting is that. Correct. Okay, where do we create the payment terms?
In what double
OBB8.
OBB8.
OBP8. What is a baseline date?
The date from which actual discount calculation.
The date from which we start counting the number of days, na discounting days or credit period or discount days. We will count, no? That is baseline. Correct. What is the document date?
Invoice date.
That is
Date on the
It's the
document.
date.
What is the difference between document date and posting date?
document date is date that is on the document.
Posting date is the date we
date
use for
is
accounting purposes.
that is based on the server. That cannot be changed.
No, that is entry date. You are
Entry
talking.
date.
It is the date we give for accounting purposes, posting date.
Posting date we use for accounting, the various accounting reasons we use. That is posting. Entry date is what?
System generated date.
Is it under our control?
System generated date.
No. System generated date.
Whenever user is touching the system, it will automatically record the date and time and user, everything. T code, date, time, seconds wise it will capture. Correct? It's like kind of CCTV, no, on you. Everybody means all users. Okay. Very, very important feature. That is entry. Okay. Yeah.
So what's the payment date?
Payment date is actual when you are making the payment. No?
Okay, sir.
Payment date when the payment happened. See, you may do the payment, but posting you may do after 2 days.
Okay, sir.
You understand, no?
Okay.
Payment you did today, but when did you actually post the entry in the system? Today. Got it? That is
Means it is a posting date.
yeah. Posting
Payment
date.
date is equal to posting date.
It's not
When we
equal to
post
that's
it.
what. See, I did the payment today,
Okay,
but
sir.
posting I have not done today.
Okay.
I am giving posting date. I am doing posting after
Means
2
that
days.
it has a different column for payment dates. Huh?
Exactly. So some areas you will have payment date option, like when you are talking about bank transactions. Na?
Value
At that
date.
time, value date will come, payment date will come. So many dates are there. So many dates are. Okay. One by one, we will understand. Okay. So clear, everybody? Yeah.
Yes.
So that was about the dates in the payment. Okay. How to
Thank you,
create
sir.
a install? Welcome. How to create an installment payment?
In
OBB9, we
payment
have
terms,
OBB.
we pick install.
Hmm?
In payment terms, we just take installment.
Okay,
Along with that, we have to go to OBB9 and specify the terms.
specify that term. So
How
inside
many
the
installments?
how many installment, what are the terms, all that we have to give. Correct. So OBB8 and
B9.
OBB9. B9. What is the difference between residual payment and partial payment?
In partial payment,
Residual
we have
payment.
seen all the
100%.
original payment, original amount, how much we paid and what is the balance.
No, we
Whereas in
don't pay.
sorry,
Original invoice.
invoice.
Hmm.
Whereas in residual, we will see the leftover balance that we have to pay.
Yeah, a new open item is created for the balance. Correct. Okay. So what is the T code to create the vendor?
FB6.
FK01.
Huh?
FK01.
FS00.
My God.
FK01.
FK01.
Oh my
GL
God.
account.
That's why once in a while I do these sessions. No? Once in a while I stop and see na what is happening. If I go na, then you see, someone says FS00.
FK01.
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 Correct na? Why you are going to GL ma? GL. So to create a vendor, what is the T code?
FK01.
To change a vendor.
FK02.
FK02.
To display the vendor.
FK03.
Correct? Yeah. So to create a vendor account group.
OBD3.
OBD. Yeah. To define number range for vendors.
All OBS7.
XKN1.
Number range for vendor accounts. XKN1.
XKN1.
Then we assign the
OBAS.
Assign the vendor group to number. Correct? Good. So all the transaction numbers, document number ranges, all the transaction document number ranges where we will give.
OBS7.
Clear na? GL also we gave there. Vendor also we have given. Na? Asset, a customer, everything we give in OBS7. Correct? So what is the T code to see the vendor line items?
FBL1.
FBL1.
GL line items?
FBL3.
FBL3N.
Vendor invoice posting?
FB60.
FB60.
60. What is the entry for vendor invoice?
Expense to vendor.
Expense account debit to vendor account credit.
Vendor
account credit.
What is the posting key to credit the vendor?
50.
31.
31.
31. Na?
Yes.
Debit the vendor?
25.
25. Correct, na? Okay, what is the document type for vendor invoice?
Yeah.
KR.
AR.
What is the series we are following for vendor invoice?
19.
19. What is the T code to do vendor payment?
F-53.
What is the accounting entry for vendor payment?
Vendor to bank.
Account debit to bank account credit.
Bank. What is the document type for vendor payment?
KZ.
What is the series we have?
15.
15 series. Okay, what is a vendor accounting document?
KA.
KAA. Okay, so what is the series we use for it?
17.
17.
So when we will use a vendor accounting document?
It shouldn't be an invoice or
It should
payment.
not be. It should not
Yeah.
be invoice. Should not
Invoice
be
or
payment.
payment.
So in what scenarios we use vendor accounting document?
Some credit memos.
Credit
Some-
memo. Okay. What is a credit memo? What is a credit memo, guys? Credit memo is a document from the vendor saying that you don't have to pay this money. I am reducing the invoice value. Okay, it is opposite to your invoice bill. Okay, so after raising the bill, vendor says, no, actually I charged more or something. Some goods are damaged, return you have given. So for that, he will provide the credit memo. Okay, right. So he is giving, he's saying that, yes, you can pay less. That is a credit. Okay. Right. So for the credit memo also, we will use 17 series. Background noise. Yeah. Okay. So we will post one credit memo so that everybody is clear. Okay. Let's post one credit. Okay. So the T code for credit memo. Okay. So the T code, if I see, if I go to OBA 7, if I go to OBA 7 / OBA 7, let's go. Here we have something called KA document is there. Na? KA. KA is what? Vendor accounting document. What series? 17 series.
17.
Now same way we have one more document, that is KG document. KG. KG means vendor credit. So this KG also will use 17 only. Okay. So in vendor accounting document, to differentiate the credit memos, we are using KG. Now KA is used for reversal of the invoices also. So when you reverse any vendor payment, when you reverse any vendor invoice, what document will come? KA will come. Is that clear? Okay, suppose now just now I posted one invoice. Na? Okay, let me show you this. Now I want to reverse this. How to reverse? By mistake I posted this invoice. I want to reverse. What should I do? How to reverse this document? Come on guys, it's not like I do GL. Then when I am in accounts payable, I will forget GL. Is it like that? One, you hold one thing, you leave other one. No, right? Come on, how to reverse, guys? See.
Should we use FB08?
You should tell me. I don't know.
Yeah, FB08 for individual
FB08.
Individual
That's right.
reversal.
Okay. Should I use FB08 or FBRA? Which one I should use? You know FBRA? You remember?
Yeah, FBRA for clearing.
Reversal of clearing document.
So now you tell me, should I use FBRA or should I use?
I say clearing. FBRA, sir.
This one. The invoice document or clearing document?
So if it is a clearing
Invoice
document, only FBRA.
No, this document is invoice, open item invoice, or
It's
it is
open
a clear.
item invoice.
It's a clearing document. Which one it is?
Clearing document.
It's a clearing document. Okay.
It's a clearing document?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
This is a clearing document.
Is it? Really?
It's an open item. It is not paid yet.
So open item, but it's a document, we can clear it. This is the transaction can be cleared later. That's
No.
Is it open item?
Sir, it's
Open.
a open item.
Open.
So is it a clearing document?
No, sir, reverse document.
Reverse.
It is just an open item created.
Open item.
Open item created. It is not cleared. No?
Yes.
Clearing document will be in green color. Always remember. It will be clearing document will not be here. Always remember this. Clearing document will not be there in open item. Clearing document will be always there in cleared items. Why a clearing document will be coming in open item? Understand? So a clearing document will always be in cleared items. Here. This is a clearing document. Got it? So this is an open item. It is still open. Na? It is not cleared, right?
yes.
See? Clearing. Is it a clearing document? No. Understand?
No.
So it is open item created. It is open item created, not cleared. I hope you got the point. It is still in red color. So which T code I should use to reverse this?
FB0.
Sir, FB08.
FB08. Okay. So /n FB08. You reverse.
Zero.
Okay. So what is the document number? 190013. Na?
0013.
13 is the clearing. Okay. Now is a normal document, not clearing, normal. Okay. So now can I do it in FB08? Can I do
Yes,
or
sir.
not? What do you think?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You can do. You don't need FBRA. You see, no. Post. So when I
You can
post,
display
what do you think? What document type I will get?
KA 17.
KA17, no?
Yes.
Okay, let us see. 17 document type. Is it clear? So document display. Document display. Okay. Header document. Header. What document you got?
Yeah.
Understood? So this is a normal document. We reversed in FB08 and the document type we got as KA. That is where the 17 series will come. Is that clear? Okay. Now, vendor credit memo, no, that is slightly variant. Okay, that is also 17, but it is credit memo, means different. Okay, so we got credit memo sometimes to adjust the amount. Correct? Suppose he charged excess, we pointed out that you charged excess, then he will send us a credit memo. Okay. Okay, let us go first post the invoice FB60. Okay, my vendor number 79. Invoice date today. Amount how much? Some amount, na? He is sending us a bill for 50,000. Okay, then what is the expense account? 4,80,000. Put star here. Put star, na? Enter. That's it. Okay, now I am posting this. So now I have a open item. /n FBL1N. What symbol I will get for this?
Red.
Give immediate.
Bill.
Yellow bill.
Hello, Bill.
Bill.
Yeah, because we have to pay this
Today.
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 Yeah. Okay, now let's go. So now I am going to so I am going to post vendor credit memo for this. Right? So after getting the bill, we pointed out that you charged excess. Right? You charged excess. I want some 10,000 excess you charged, or we returned the goods. So the 10,000 is sending me the credit memo. Okay. Okay, now done. Now done. To post credit memo. To post credit memo. The T code is FB65. Now done. FB60 invoice, na? FB65 is credit. What is the entry? The entry is reverse entry. Entry will be vendor account, debit, expense account, credit. This is credit. Reverse of the vendor invoice. What document type I will get for this? I will get KG document. What is the series I will get for this? 17 series. Same series. Same, okay? Okay, just note down. I'll be back in 1 minute, guys. Give me 1 minute. I'll be back. Yeah, just note down this. Okay, 1 minute. Just 1 minute here. Yeah. Okay, so let us post this credit memo. Suppose I am returning the goods worth 10,000 or some adjustment is there 10,000. Out of 50,000, 10,000 adjustment is. Okay, reverse adjustment. He has sent the document. Okay, let me go. Go to FB65. FB65. Okay. So now give the vendor. So vendor credit memo. You see, there is a screen separately for that. So vendor number I am giving A1. Document date I am giving today. Amount how much? 10,000. Here expense account normally we debit na. Here you see it is credit. Reverse. Normally vendor invoice it will be debit here. Here we are doing credit. Okay. Yeah. Not.
Sir, here is a possibility there that a wrong GL code selection for the credit number is possible. Am I right, sir?
Wrong GL code selection for the
For the possible selection of the wrong credit entry, wrong GL account can be possible because the credit memo when we are doing it.
So if you don't know the GL, you mean to say?
No, which is previously we accounted debitor, that is by oversight is possible for the wrong GL code selection. That's what I'm asking.
See, okay. Here you meant to say the mistake happened here?
Yeah, here is a possible, but is not automatically we cannot select it from that document number from the there. It's not possible. That was as a manual entry only. So here is a possibilities. Any GL code we can give it.
Yeah, you can give any. From the
Yes.
drop down, you can give any.
Okay.
Yes. Yeah. Okay, press enter. Right. Okay. So what is the entry here? Document simulate. What is the entry I'm expecting now? Vendor to expense. Reverse.
Under debit and expense credit.
See, one more new posting key is coming. 21. Expense is credit. Vendor debit. What kind of debit it is? Credit memo debit it is. 21. No? Okay. Where I can see all the my posting keys. Where I can see. All my
OB41.
OB41. Correct. So I will go to OB41. /n OB41. Go there. OB41. And then what is the posting key? My posting key is 21. 21. This is it, right? 20. Yeah, 21 is
Reversal
what?
invoice. Credit memo.
Correct, na?
Yes.
Debit vendor, na? Is that clear? 21 you go. Okay. So what is it? 21 credit memo vendor, and we are doing debit the vendor. Debiting the vendor credit. Okay. So this is it. Same thing is happening here. Okay. So now I post this vendor credit memo KG document. Okay. So it's a document from the vendor saying that there is a reduction in the invoice amount. Okay. Post. Okay. Now, so you see 17 series I got. Okay. Now, if I go to FBL1N, what I am expecting now?
40,000 open item.
Yeah, 50,000 minus 10,000 plus, no?
Yes.
See, what is the net of effect? 40.
40.
Clear? So if I have to pay, how much I will pay now?
40.
40,000 I will. Clear, everybody? That is credit memo. That is credit. Okay, so you go /n f-53. When you go f-53, you give the date, today's date. Then you give the bank account amount. You give the amount. How much amount?
40,000. 40,000.
40,000. We are. Then ours is 79. Na? Okay. Process open items. This is it. Tallied, na?
Yes.
Post. That's it. So document simulate normal. Vendor to bank. 40. So we have adjusted the credit memo amount from the invoice. Correct? Na? Post. So if I go to FBL, okay, document display, you can see. Correct? So if I go to FBL1 and all items will be cleared. No items. Got it? Good. So that was about the credit memo and KG document. Okay, next. Next thing that we have is, we have something called, we have something called house banks. We have house banks. Okay, house banks. So house bank is it's like a house for the bank. Na? It will have all the details related to bank accounts, right? So no doubt. So all the details related to banks, we will maintain it. Okay, it's like a kind of house for the bank. Na? So here we maintain their account details, account numbers, correct? Their IFSC code. What we will maintain here? So bank name, yeah, bank IFSC code, correct? Bank account number, correct? Given by the bank, correct? Given by the bank, correct? 12 digit, 16 digit, they will give that one. And then our SAP account number, our SAP GL account number, correct? We maintain in our system.
Yes.
In our system, correct? In our system, for the same bank account, correct? Correct? Same bank
Yes.
account. Correct? So we are one number is given by the bank. For that, we are maintaining 2 lakh account number. That one. Correct? So what is the account number given by the bank? 12 digit, 16 digit. What is our in SAP system? What number we are maintaining? Correct? So this is our HDFC bank. Na? What is the number we are maintaining in our system? 2 lakh.
2 lakhs.
That one. So all this is it. This is the address of the bank. Huh? Everything, all the details, checkbooks, checkbooks, yeah, checkbooks we will maintain, everything, all checkbook details, how many check lot checks we have, what numbers, check numbers, everything we maintain. All the details we maintain in the house banks. Is that clear? Yeah. Along with this, there are many other information also. Complete information you will find in the house bank. Okay? No. Right. I will show you to create a house bank. To create a house bank. The T code is F512. F512. To create a house bank. F512. Okay. Let's go. Go to F5 slash and F5. Go. What is my company code?
ZAPL.
ZAPL. Correct. Enter. Now you go. Okay. Here you see what are the how many banks you have. How many? You may not have one account, na? You may have multiple accounts with multiple banks, right? Possible. So all those account details we maintain here. Okay. Okay. Which country you are maintaining? So I may have an account in some other account, some other bank, na? Like, if I have a lot of black money, I may maintain one account with a Swiss bank, na? Yeah, correct. I can have loads of money standard there, right? Possible. So I have country, another country, bank is there, right? Like that. So new entries. Okay, now house bank is which bank? House bank, HDFC house bank. Which country it is in India? What is the IFSC code? IFSC code. I will give, na? They will tell, na? Bank will tell, right? Which branch? You know, na, IFSC code?
Yes.
Okay, that is the code I will give. So if the code is already there, you can select from here. See, bank country you give. And if it is there, you can pick all the IFSC codes. It is placed there. You can pick, like I am selecting this one. HDFC 0001234. I am selecting like this. Okay. Yeah, sorry. Yeah, if you see, you can create a new one. You can create also. If it is already there, you can change it. You see, change. Or you want to create a new one. Like I want to create something like, 1415. I want to create. Correct. 1414. I want anything I can create. You can click when I press enter. You see what it says? Create option will come. You got it? So when I give any new number, what option is coming? Create option is. I can create, address, everything I can give. But when I am giving an existing number, what is coming? You see now. When I give an existing number, what is coming? What is coming? Change option is coming. You understood the point? So you can select from here. You can select. When you select, it will come. Change option will come. Only address you can change. Got it? I want to create a new IFSC code. You can create like this. Any number like this. When I give like this, it will give me a create option. So you can create a new bank keys also. So SAP is calling your IFSC codes as bank keys. So whenever you see bank key from now onwards, what you should understand is IFSC.
IFSC.
Is that clear? See, to do any transfer, I need IFSC code, no? Agree?
Yes.
Account number is required plus IFSC code also required.
Next RTGS IMPS.
Sorry?
No, sir. Nothing left. RTGS IMPS and all.
Yes. Good. Okay. So now I'm not creating. I'm using an existing one. You can create a new one if you want. Okay. So you create a new one like this. Good. So now if I want, I can change the address. This is my address. Amirpet Street, whatever is. Yeah, it is there. That's it. Enough. So you have to give this address. So bank name, region, state, street, select branch name. Okay, present. Now click on the bank accounts. Click on the bank accounts. So in this country, in this branch, we have an account. Okay. Present. New entries. What is my house bank ID name? So in this branch, I may have multiple accounts. No? I may have a current account. I may have a savings bank account. I may have a recurring deposit account. Can I have multiple accounts in the same branch?
Yes.
Yes. So that each account will be account ID, we call it like this. 1 I will put HDFC 1. Okay, this is my HDFC current account. Okay, HDFC current. Now, what is the account number given by the bank? Okay, what is the account number given by the bank? Yeah, tell me some number. 1122. Okay, we will give ourselves some VIP number, no?
5678.
No. Just vary, no? Because if everybody uses the same number, then it will duplicate the numbers. Okay. So just give, yeah, I'm giving 46. Then I'm giving 48.
2025.
2025, yes. I like your answer. Yes, starting of the new year, 2020. I'm just giving, no, don't think that compulsorily this year will come. No, I don't want to confuse everybody. Better put, no? People will think year should be there, compulsory. Correct, na? We don't know who will think what way.
Yes.
I should be very careful. Okay, so I'm giving this number. This is the account number given by the bank. Now, GL account number. What is our GL account number for this bank account?
2 lakh.
2
This is
lakh.
the connection. This is the connection. Correct? This
Yes.
is where we are connecting our GL account number with bank account number. Tomorrow
Sir,
we are
why-
going to.
Sir, why there is an option of alternate account number, sir, here?
Alternate account number is, see, so going forward, if you are maintaining multiple accounts, multiple chart of accounts, there it will. Right. So you want to take this data in for your various reporting purposes. You want to pull this data. See, for example, now I want to do the consolidation.
Okay.
Correct. I want to consolidate 10 accounts. I want to show in one account. Then that will. Okay. We'll see.
Okay, sir.
Right. So now currency. What is the currency?